All right, let's talk about Rajiv Gandhi College of Engineering in Sriperumbudur. If you're looking at TNEA Code 1212 for the 2026 admissions, this one's for you. We've got all the essential verified facts you'll need to make a smart choice. So let's dive right in.
So, what makes this college stand out? Well, its identity is really built on a legacy of being the first to do some pretty important things.
Get this, back in 2002, this was the first self-financing college in all of Tamil Nadu to offer a BE in biomedical engineering. I mean, that's a huge deal, right? They were pioneers in bringing this specialized field to students in the state. And they didn't stop there. Just a few years later, in 2005, they did it again. This time, they became the first in all of South India to launch a B.Tech in petroleum engineering. So you can see, these two programs are a massive part of what makes this college unique.
Okay, so being a pioneer is one thing, but what about the nuts and bolts? Let's get into the college's official identity and background. You know, all the stuff you absolutely need to know for your TNEA application.
All right, here's the quick rundown. The full name is Rajiv Gandhi College of Engineering. It's a self-financing, Christian minority college, and it's been around since 2001. It's affiliated to Anna University, Chennai, which is a big plus. Now for admissions, it's all through TNEA, with the standard 65% government quota and 35% management quota. And most importantly, yes, its AICT approval is active for the 2025-26 academic year, so you're good to go.
Now, the story behind this college is actually pretty interesting. It was started back in 2001 by something called the Gulf Returnees Educational Society, or GRES. What's so special about that? Well, it was the first engineering college in Tamil Nadu founded by a group of NRIs from the Gulf. And that unique backing is probably why they were able to move so fast and launch those signature programs we talked about, biomedical in '02 and petroleum in '05.
All right, let's get to the part you've been waiting for. What courses can you actually get into here? Let's break down the BE and B.Tech branches on offer for 2026.
So, for 2026, you've got 7 UG programs to choose from. Of course, you have their 2 star players, biomedical and petroleum engineering. Then you've got the essentials, computer science, EEE, ECE, and mechanical. And to show they're looking to the future, they also have a program in artificial intelligence and data science, which is pretty new, started just in 2025.
And across all those 7 branches, what are we looking at in terms of seats? The total number for TNEA admissions is 330.
Okay, this is a big one for parents and students alike. An engineering degree is a huge investment, right? So what about the return? Let's talk about placements and the kind of financial help you can get.
So, according to the data the college themselves provided for the TNEA 2025 admissions, they've reported a placement rate of 78%. That number gives you a solid idea of what to expect when it comes to career outcomes.
When it comes to financial aid, there are several government scholarships that you might be able to get here. You have the SC/ST tuition fee waiver, and also scholarships for BC, MBC, and DNC students. If you're the first in your family to go to college, there's the First Graduate Scholarship. And because this is a minority institution, the National Minority Scholarship is also an option.
All right, let's wrap up with the day-to-day stuff. I know for a lot of families, things like where you'll stay and how you'll get to college are just as important as the academics.
So here's the deal on facilities. Yes, they have separate permanent hostels for both boys and girls. If you're a day scholar, don't worry, there's a college bus service. And for connectivity, the closest major railway station is Thiruvallur, which is around 15 kilometers away.
Just a quick heads up. Everything we've talked about today is based on official information from the college and government portals as of April 2026. Things can change, so it's always a good idea to double-check with the college for the absolute latest info.
I really hope this detailed look has helped you get a clearer picture. As you continue your shortlisting process, remember you can explore many more engineering colleges over at profsam.com. It's your true source for making these big decisions from 12th to engineering.